Today is a deck day, and I don't know if you can see how green it is, but see, this is the color it's supposed to be, like a nice light gray, and this is how green this side gets from the trees in the back. Oh, the birds are singing, so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna do all the siding here, which actually doesn't look too bad, but then do the whole deck and really scrub that green out. Then I have our chairs to do, and they have some winter weather left on them here. So for the chairs, I'm gonna initially scrub with my scrub brush, and then I'm gonna take a microfiber cloth to it and really get in the nooks and crannies. Then I also have here our rails that I will take with the scrub brush as well, and then I'm going to take a microfiber cloth to it and rinse it out. So what I need, I have my hose, it's hooked up to my deck, and then I also have here a pail of really hot water and a teaspoon of Tide, and this is what I will be using to scrub everything clean. So let's try this out here. I find this area the most satisfying. Look at that. It's like scratching a lottery ticket. Just taking that first layer off. So good. It's nice that it's not too stuck on either. I'm gonna have to do a lot of scrubbing and rinsing, but oh, so good. All right, time for a good rinse so I can see what what is stuck on and what is needs to be rinsed away. So let's see here. How so satisfying, so disgusting, and so satisfying at the same time. Okay, so that area, remove that. Okay, let's see if the jet stream will help with this corner here. Yeah. A little bit. All right, I'm gonna get back to scrubbing. I'm gonna put the phone down and put the grunt work in, but that is the basics of how I clean my deck off. So it's been about an hour and a half and it's looking really good. Did all the siding. The siding takes actually quite a long time to do. Just because it's like bit by bit. And I got the rails. Now I probably will wait for it to dry and then take a look and see if I need to go just like in around there if it's still too green. But yeah, it's looking really good. Got the chairs cleaned up so the sun hopefully will come out and dry them. Now, the only thing I'm going to do for sure now is, let me see if I can find them. Oh, maybe they left. I have some marks like this on my patio and they're basically, I think they're sap. Let's see if I find another one. Yeah, see that? So I'm gonna try some Barkeeper's Friend on it and a microfiber cloth and see if I can scrub that out. Let's see. It just feels sticky. Oh yeah, there it comes. A little bit better. Maybe I'll let it sit with it on it because it's coming, just not completely. So, okay, and I'm just gonna put some Barkeepers on all of them and then let them sit for a minute and then try to scrub it. Now I also have what I think is rust spots here. Had them last year too. I don't remember if I was able to get them off or not. So I'm just going to do the same thing, let it sit, and see if I can take it off or not. It's like all these final little touches after you do all the work. There we go. It's a little bit better. So maybe some of it will come off and some of it won't. Try my scrub brush too, see if that will help. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna let it sit. Try my brush and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, the Barkeepers with the scrub brush did work pretty well, but it's not completely gone. It's like 50%. So I have a magic eraser here. Let some of the water out. See if I can scrub that out. No, that's not coming. It's just really sticky. Really sticky. I just don't want to damage the material of the floor. But it'd be nice to get that. Like, it's not sticky to the touch, but when you try to pick at it, it's sticky. Like it's slowly, I guess. Oh, man. Let's try this. The perfectionist in me is... I don't want to lose. Okay, I have one more idea. Hold on. All right, last attempt. So I just have one of those like scrub brushes for the pots, pans. Let's see if I gently not too much. Okay, I actually have one more idea. All right, this is my last option for real, I think, this time. So I have some Norwex cleaning paste and a spear sponge. So let's see, I'm going to, probably easier to do with the two hands, but I'm trying to just get some of the paste on here and then oh, that may actually do it. It's still there, but it's a lot lighter. All right, I'm gonna go around and do this and then rinse it and show you. Okay, it's gonna have to be good enough. It's actually quite a lot better. You can't really see from up high. So it's a lot better. It's not quite as orange. I'll show you the spots over here. So this one is really big, but I've got some paste on my fingers. See up there, that's the color it was. So, and this one's almost gone. I'm just gonna have to be okay with it and see that the sap defeated me. This one came out pretty well. I think it's just because it gets in all those little grooves. That doesn't come out well. But anyways, I'm going to just rinse off my deck one more time and then let it dry and see if there's any areas that need perfecting, but if they do, it'll just be the bars. All right, that's how I clean my deck.